Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Dr. Hetal Thakur. In this video tutorial, we are going to see how to create delegate which accepts a parameter or the delegate which returns a value in C#. So, we are creating a delegate which is going to return an integer value. First delegate, creating a class test. I'm taking one variable val1 equal to 100. Public integer method 1, say that the method signature matches with that of delegate. Val1 plus equal to 10 and return val1. Similarly, I am creating another method 2, which will do the addition here plus 50 and return the val1. Let us create the object of test class here, new test, and the variable first delegate fd equal to t dot method 1, fd plus equal to t dot method 2. Now I will check that fd is not null, then we would like to execute. But as our method is going to return some value, I will either assign it to an answer variable and later on I can print it, or directly I'm just executing printing the output written by fd on the command prompt. So write line fd. Let us check the output. So here you can see that as we have assigned the method 1 first, it will go to method 1, value 1 plus equal to 10. So 100 is already there, 10 is added to that, 110 will be written, and then fd plus equal to t dot method 2. So method 2 will be invoked. Now already val1 is having a value 110. So adding 50 more to that will make 110 plus 50 equal to 160. So we are expecting the output 160 to be on the screen, and you can see in output window we are getting the same screen, that is 160. Now let us make another change. Let us create the another demo. Here I am creating a delegate which is going to have a reference parameter. So second delegate ref integer x, and to the class test public void method 1 ref integer x plus equal to 10, creating similar one method 2 ref integer y, ref integer x, let it be, but we are changing value here. Now first delegate fd, second delegate, so I'll create a second delegate sd equal to t dot method 1 sd plus equal to t dot method 2. So added instance of that. I'm taking variable a equal to 100, and now I will check that my second delegate is not null, then I want to execute. But this time you can see that my delegate is accepting reference variable as a argument. So I will pass here ref a, the value of a using a reference parameter, using a ref keyword here, and then write line value of a is, and we will check the value here. So A is 100, and as we are passing it here as a delegate argument, first method 1, so 100 value will go to method 1, so here 100 will come, 100 plus 10, 110 will be there. Because we have passed it as a reference parameter, no other copy will be created, and 110 will be passed to method 2 as well. So 110 plus 40, that is 150. So we are expecting the, when we are getting 150, it will change to my original variable a as well, and 150 gets printed on the screen. So you can see that value of a is 150. Thank you.